Hey guys, today let's learn how to create AI filters over on TikTok. So basically, how do you use this new AI filter over on the TikTok application? I'm going to show you guys just how to do that. So please just watch this video until the end to know and find out how. So what we need to do first is to basically just tap on the plus icon in the middle of our screen. Once that is already done, we may basically now choose the filter that we want to use over here on the effects. So once we tap on effects, of course, I want you to search for AI, and once you search for AI, you should basically see this filter, of course, which is the AI filter over on TikTok. And we do have a bunch of different AI art filters over here. And basically, if we want to go ahead and search and use this new AI art, of course, we could use this filter over here called AI manga or manga, and basically that is going to show us this option. So for us to basically create and upload a photo for us to use over on here. And what I want you guys to basically do once we're already on here is to basically upload a photo first. So I'm going to head on over and choose the photo that is going to be most suitable for this example. And I think this photo will basically do best. And as you see, the process will basically now start, and you can now turn your photo into this kind of AI art right here. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.